Asida is only so it can be in the form of a drink, whether hard or sweet. And then the person, as I said, should be able to take over the property whilst you are alive. And so in this instance, upon the demise of the person, there's nothing like the property to be distributed.
But you say you
So a will is simply a document
are you using a earpiece?
spoken that dictates how important
Yeah, I think so.
person who drafts a will is either a testator or a testatrix, whether if it's a male, it's testator, if it's a female, it's testatrix.
I think you get free phone. That's true. The right person.
So who needs a will or who has to draft a will? We all need wills because we need to protect the people we are with. You are a married man, you need to protect your wife and children.
Next question.
You need to protect whoever you want to protect whilst you are alive. In drafting a will, there are some key points that a person will have to take into consideration. As I said earlier, it has to be written, signed by the testator. There is also the element of witnessing the will. You have to have at least two witnesses. In other jurisdictions, the witnesses can sign the will at any point in time. But in Ghana, an exception is created that the two witnesses will have to be present at the same time, witnessing the testator's signature. Though there are instances where wills have failed or the content of the will have failed just because the two parties or the two witnesses did not sign the will at the same time. The other thing I need to talk about is the self-acquired properties of the testator. And so you cannot say that you are gifting a car which you do not own or you do not own to somebody. Uh, the other thing is matrimonial properties. Under the Constitution of Ghana, Article 22, a spouse cannot be denied of not less than 50% of the estate of a party, whether by solution of marriage or upon the death of that person. And so a matrimonial home, properly so called, cannot be a subject matter of the will. So if I'm here with my wife, obviously my wife owns 50% of that property. And so in drafting a will, I cannot say that I have given uh, the matrimonial property to somebody else to handle, whereas the wife owns 50% uh, of the matrimonial home. There's also an issue of persons who are dependents on the testator. Now, it is very easy to say that a will has been drafted and that Kwame Kofi Kojo are the beneficiaries under the will. So any other person cannot claim any property under the will. In Ghana, there is an exception created under Section 13 of the Wills Act, which simply states that where the testator dies without making reasonable provision for either the testator's father, mother, or child who is below the age of 18, the person upon application to the court can get the court to make a reasonable provision under the estate of the deceased. What it is that if you want to protect whoever you are leaving behind, what you need to do is to make it clear who your dependents are. The law does not define who a child, or the law does not make a difference between children who are born in matrimonial home or for children who are born outside the marriage. And so you have a child outside the marriage, that child, when upon the demise of that person, the person can wait. All that the person needs to establish is that one, dependent on the state act. Then also the application has to be brought not 3 years upon probate being granted. There's what we call the interim clauses. You should avoid them in drafting wills. A typical example is that with any child who challenges any provisions of the law will lose his advice under the will. Those ones have no legal weight. The other is that, okay, let's say I have 3 houses, then the 3 houses, or these houses are not supposed to be sold, or it shouldn't be given out for rent. Those ones have no legal weight. You cannot control the living, how things are supposed to be done for your grave. Acquisition of land is very important in this day because people have made a lot of mistakes in acquiring properties. I want to touch a little bit on the issue of acquiring properties in Ghana. If you are interested in buying a property, first is that you need to go onto the land.
Do you hear me? Do you hear?
Talk to the people who live close to the land. You need to conduct searches at the land commission and the land title registry to be able to know who the owners of the land are. In conducting searches, you need to take the site plan as given by the person selling the land to conduct the search. There's also the second leg where you yourself as you are interested in purchasing land. Take your surveyor onto the land.
Hello?
To be
Hello?
inside plan.
Aisha?
That second search. After getting the results of the second search, reconcile the two to know as to whether the person selling the land is really the owner of the land. Searches, there are a lot of advantages in doing a search. One, there are instances that the property may have been used to secure a loan. You wouldn't know just looking at the land. There are instances where judgment has been given. Then, so let's say in January, Kwame owned the land. Then in December, there is a judgment that says that Kwame doesn't own the land anymore. If you do not conduct those searches, you wouldn't be able to know who really owns the land. There is also the issue of as I said, going on to the land proper to interview persons who live close to the land. The advantage here is that the people living close to the land may know what is actually happening on the land. There are instances where people may have to go and place posters, stay away from the land. People may come fighting over the land. If you go onto the land to interview people who live close to the land, it will give you an insight of what is happening, who have real issues that have to be discussed. So during the questions and answers sessions, I will take them and do from each. Thank you.
Another round of applause for Mr. Shia. of